Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, so let's talk about the speeds I'm getting using the Nothing Phone 1 in the US with T-Mobile. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, I want to answer the question, can you use this phone, the Nothing Phone 1 in the US and still get 5G or 4G LTE? In San Antonio, Texas, the answer is yes. I can get 5G using the Nothing Phone 1. I'm part of their Discord now and they have a US channel in there, and a lot of people are getting great speeds with this phone from Verizon, from AT&T, all over the US. And there's some people that are not getting the greatest speeds either, but they also said that they don't get great speeds with any other phones. This phone actually has the same bands as my Oppo Find N here, which is still a great phone. Look at that color. The radio or the antennas on here it has to be better, because I'm getting better speeds on this phone than I'm getting on this phone. I mean, just hands down, the speeds are better. But the bands are the same. There's a website, I'm gonna link it up, that you can check out the bands for, AT&T, Verizon, and they are the same bands from, on both phones. But this phone, the Nothing Phone 1, I get better reception too on this phone than I get with this one. I haven't had any drop calls or any missed calls with this phone yet, and it's pretty quick. So let's just do one right now. I want to take it off the internet. So the Wi-Fi is off. Let's do a live speed test right now. And as you can tell, right there it says 5G UMB. Or UWB. If I'm blind, I think that's UWB. No, I don't want no VPN. So in my room, it's 300. You can see that 316, 314. And the upload is 35. So that is it, 316, 35. Now if I go to results, you can see all of them. I've been running them all over, my area here. 449. The lowest one was 52. But I have 629, 282, 382, 476, 629 there. But let me pause the video. I'm gonna put the same SIM card into my Oppo Find N and see what type of speeds I get. So I got 316, 35. Let me pause the video, I'll be right back. Okay everyone, so I'm back. I have my SIM card, the same SIM card in the Oppo Find N2. As you can tell, that is T-Mobile. It is 5G. But watch the speed difference that I get. $44, $42, $50, $45, $46. So $45. $28, $32. So 45 and 33. Compare that to the 316 and the 35. Even though it has the same bands, the radio and the antenna bands must be stronger. I'm not into all the nerdy stuff, but something is better on this Nothing phone than my Oppo Find N2, which I still enjoy though. Now, for people that tell you you shouldn't pick it up, you shouldn't be a guinea pig, this phone has been excellent, and I'm getting great speeds all over Texas and San Antonio area, all over my area, so I can't really complain about it. If you're worried about it in your area, definitely pick it up, try it out. They do have like a return plan program, so if it doesn't work out for you, you can always return the phone. I can tell you in the Discord, a lot of people from Verizon, AT&T, even Google Fi saying they're getting great speeds using this phone, and they are not having any issues either. So can you get 5G in Texas on the Nothing Phone 1? And the answer is yes. And I'm enjoying the phone, so stay tuned. I will have more videos coming up on the Nothing Phone. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Nothing Phone 1. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. If y'all have any other questions, let me know in the comments. Until next time, peace. I'm out. Y'all have a great day.